these athletes, Canine and Human. We wish them all the best along the trail.
Free Iditarod souvenir.
You bring us gladness.
Free souvenir.
This winter day. So
Free souvenir.
happy Iditarod.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you so much, Senator.
Free Iditarod souvenir. Free souvenir. Free souvenir. Free Iditarod souvenir. Free Iditarod souvenir.
We have one.
Okay. Free Iditarod souvenir.
I got one for you
Got
already.
one? Cool.
Thank you.
Free souvenir.
Thank you.
There you go. Would you like one too?
Thank you.
There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and
Free
girls,
souvenir?
the team that you see here at the
Free
starting line
souvenir?
is the National Park Service's 100th anniversary team.
Free souvenir. There you go. Free souvenir.
Thank you.
There you go. You're welcome.
Not
Free
today.
souvenir?
Thank you.
Not today. Okay. Free souvenir. Got a free souvenir?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we get another one?
Free souvenir? Yeah, you can. You can have two or three if you want.
Here, this is
There
for
you
you.
go.
I got it for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Free souvenir. Free souvenir. You got a snowdrift on your head. Free souvenir. Free souvenir. Iditarod souvenir for free.
Are we ready to cut the
It's like free souvenir. It's like free souvenir.
You already did.
Actually, yeah.
Iditarod souvenir.
Hey, can I get two?
Yeah, you sure can. There you go.
I don't know where I
Free
was at.
Iditarod souvenir.
You cut the ribbon.
Sure, I'll take one.
Okay, there you go.
Thanks, man.
All
That
right,
one
no
got by
problem.
me.
Free Iditarod souvenir. Free souvenir. You got your hands full. You got a kid there. Free Iditarod souvenir.
Okay, folks, we have another
Free souvenir.
guest here, and I'd like to turn the microphone.
It's like a free
over
Iditarod
now
souvenir.
to Mr. Crum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Free Iditarod souvenir. There you go. Free souvenir.
Commander, I want to tell you what a great honor it is.
Free Iditarod souvenir.
What this race
There you go. It's got a
represents,
nice picture on it.
taking care of each other,
Free
being there
Iditarod
for each
souvenir.
other, standing by each other.
Free souvenir.
Is what your Alaska service members do every single day.
Yep.
for
Free
your
souvenir.
nation.
Got a nice picture on it.
Alaska,
Free Iditarod
guys,
souvenir.
I know this through certain times, but
Here you go.
remember,
Free souvenir.
Thank you.
Like one. Free souvenir. Like one. There you go. Free Iditarod souvenir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Free souvenir. Want one?
Oh, no, thanks.
Okay. You have a good day. I hear the dogs are barking. I hear them.
Excuse me, sir, you're in violation.
Oh, look at all the snow. Perfect day for the Iditarod. Like one? They're free. There you go. Got a picture of dogs on there. You want one too? It's a free Iditarod souvenir.
Official starting
Like what?
point. This year's race
Free Iditarod souvenir.
17 women and 32 men made up of 13 rookies and 36 veterans. The field comes from 5 different countries. And here today,
Free Iditarod souvenir.
Iditarod champions are in the race.
Free souvenir.
And across the World Arch first in Nome. Still to come to the 50th anniversary of Iditarod, veteran Hugh Neff, all the way from
Free
France,
Iditarod
Sebastian dos
souvenir.
Santos Borges.
There you go. Thank you.
Four-time Iditarod champion.
Free souvenir to you.
Martin Bucer.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
30 seconds.
Free Iditarod souvenir.
We've been up here a couple times.
No, thank you.
Would you like
Thank
one?
you, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, bud.
6 or 7 or 8.
Free Iditarod souvenir, sir. You're welcome.
There's some people like that.
Free Iditarod souvenir.
Sometimes they have. Thank you.
Got a nice picture on it. You want one too?
Oh,
There we
okay,
go.
so I can't hold
She wants
anything.
one. There you go, sir. There you go. Would you like one too?
Having
3, 2, 1. Go! They're starting. It is the start of the 50th anniversary of Iditarod. Dog sled race. Are there any coming yet? They're on their way? Oh, they must be seeing them. Here they come. There they go. Running by. There they go. Some of them.
a windshield wiper.
Free Iditarod souvenir.
It's a windshield wiper.
Oh, yeah. Free Iditarod souvenir. Want one? Like the free Iditarod souvenir? Okay.
This is our ceremonial starting team wearing bib number 1, the junior
Free Iditarod souvenir?
champion, Emily Robinson.